Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of saline manufacturing. If you're an entrepreneur looking for a promising business opportunity in the healthcare sector, this video is for you. We'll explore why and how to set up a saline, intravenous fluid solution, manufacturing business, covering everything from market demand to machinery requirements. Saline solutions are essential in healthcare settings for various purposes, including intravenous therapy, wound cleaning, and medical procedures. The global market for physiological saline is booming, making it an attractive venture for entrepreneurs. Market demand and opportunities. The saline, intravenous fluid solution market size was valued at $5.3 billion in 2022 and is projected to grow at a CAGR of 6.2% to reach $9.6 billion by 2032. This growth is driven by several factors: increasing prevalence of chronic diseases requiring intravenous therapies, rising number of surgical procedures, growing aging population, expanding healthcare infrastructure globally, ongoing focus on patient safety and infection control. Key market trends driving the demand for saline products include technological advancements in medicine and manufacturing processes, government initiatives supporting the use of saline solutions in healthcare settings, increasing hospital admissions, especially in intensive care units, growing demand for saline solutions in emergency and critical care, expanding applications of saline solutions in various medical procedures. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the importance of maintaining a stable supply of essential medical resources like saline solutions, emphasizing the need for robust production capacities. Machinery and equipment. To set up a saline intravenous fluid solution manufacturing plant, you'll need the following key equipment: mixing equipment, example mixing tanks, filling machines, sterilization equipment, autoclaves or sterilizing filters, raw material testing equipment, pH meters, osmometers, packaging equipment, blister packing machines, pouch making machines, quality control equipment, particle counters, endotoxin testers, warehousing and storage equipment. Manufacturing process. The typical manufacturing process for saline solutions includes raw material preparation and testing, mixing of ingredients, filtration and sterilization, manufacturing process, packaging and labeling, quality control testing, storage and distribution. Consideration for plant location. When choosing a location for your saline manufacturing plant, consider proximity to raw material suppliers, availability of skilled labor, access to transportation infrastructure, local government incentives, reliable power and water supply, compliance with local regulations. Opportunities for new startups. For startups entering the saline manufacturing space, consider focusing on high-quality, cost-effective production to compete with established players, exploring niche markets, such as specialized saline solutions for specific medical procedures, implementing advanced technologies for improved efficiency and quality control, developing eco-friendly packaging solutions, offering customized saline formulations for research institutions or specialized medical facilities. Growth drivers. Several factors are driving the growth of the saline manufacturing industry. Increasing healthcare expenditure globally. Rising demand for intravenous therapies in both hospital and home care settings. Technological advancements in manufacturing processes. Growing awareness about the importance of sterile medical solutions. Expanding applications of saline solutions in various medical procedures. Manufacturing industry offers significant opportunities for entrepreneurs willing to invest in quality production and innovation. With the right planning, equipment, and market strategy, you can establish a successful business in this growing sector. Remember, thorough research and expert guidance are crucial when entering the pharmaceutical manufacturing industry. NPCS is here to support you every step of the way, from initial planning to project implementation. How we can assist you? At Need Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, we provide comprehensive support for entrepreneurs looking to enter the saline manufacturing business. Our services include preparation of market survey cum detailed techno-economic feasibility reports, business plan development, manufacturing process analysis, market research and industry trends, flow sheet diagram creation, product mix optimization, machinery and equipment details, raw material sourcing information, complete project financials. Our reports cover all aspects of the business, from analyzing the market to forecasting financial requirements. We aim to provide you with the tools and information needed to make informed decisions and secure investments for your saline manufacturing venture. We at NEER Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, provide our services for preparation of market survey cum detailed techno-economic feasibility report for setting up of new industry or business. Our report contains manufacturing process, market research, flow sheet diagram, product mix, machinery details, raw material details, and complete project financials to access the project feasibility with other lot of information. We are an industrial project consultants. We provide detailed project report business plan to set up new industry or business or project. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be interested in starting a saline manufacturing business. Don't forget to check out our other videos on healthcare industry opportunities. Until next time.